Dominik, thank you very much for joining us. Just come off stage after your panel session. You illustrated the points you were trying to make with a very interesting diagram. I just wondered if you could talk us through that just for a second.
Yeah, sure. We shouldn't be so worried about new technologies. I think it's the question is who is going to apply the new technology. And in order that we can apply the new technologies, we have to see that we gain outmost, what I call outmost customer intimacy. So really to know what are the concerns. And there are, I see 4 directions. It's one to be at a very early stage, near to the client, when he has some thoughts about what's going to happen to my business, to my task, what do I have to provide. So going more forward to strategic consultancy, that's one thing. The other thing is when operating the infrastructure, the building, or what asset you have, anyhow, you know that we accompany the clients also after it has completed an infrastructure. So to have the skills to provide the services in this line. The other thing is that we are there to really enter and we have the needs when they have once conceptualized, so we tailor-made solutions. Because one thing which is opposing or which is makes it difficult, as more things are standardized, the more it can be, somebody else can apply a business model to that. And this is then a disruptive case. So we have to stay close to the client. And the last thing is that the clients also, they're changing the structures. They keep on moving work which was traditionally done by themselves. So their people, they try to shift it across. And so it's something, you need a holistic view on all the needs. So, and you need more skills on that. So, but we shouldn't take this up without being paid for that. And this is one of the challenges the industry have. And so this is what I say, but what remains key is we need people, they know how to build. Otherwise, it's a bubble. And what we need in addition, we need to adapt the skills to apply new business models. That's something we have to learn.
And just in general, how did you feel the session went? Did you enjoy it? How's the conference been for you?
The conference has been inspiring, as last year. I really enjoyed being here. It's really great. And it's not just being inspiring, it's also reassuring about things you turn yourself in your head. And so I really do appreciate. And of course, everyone has different priorities and interests. So overall, it was very valuable to come here again.